Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Samsung Pay with bank cards, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Samsung device and locate the Samsung Pay app. Tap on the Samsung Pay icon to launch the application. If this is your first time using Samsung Pay, you will need to set it up. Follow the on-screen prompts to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, sign in with your Samsung account credentials. Enter your email address and password associated with your Samsung account. If you don't have a Samsung account, you can create one directly from this screen. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up a secure method for accessing your account. You can choose to use a fingerprint, PIN, or iris scan for security. After setting up your preferred security method, navigate to the Cards section. In the Cards section, tap on the Add Card option. You will have the choice to scan your card using your device's camera or enter the card details manually. If you choose to scan, align your card within the frame and capture the image. Ensure that all information appears correctly, then tap Next. If entering details manually, fill in the required fields such as card. After entering your card details, read and accept the terms from your bank. Your bank may now require you to verify your identity through a one-time password sent to your registered phone number. Check your messages and enter the verification code into the app. Once verified, your card will be added to Samsung Pay. You may also add additional bank cards by repeating these steps if desired. To finalize, you can customize your default payment card in the settings. Now you are ready to use Samsung Pay for secure transactions. Simply unlock your device and launch the Samsung Pay app whenever you want to make a payment. Enjoy the convenience of making transactions directly from your Samsung device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.